morning children, welcome to class 5 social studies. So today we are going to start with the new lesson children, Greenland. Okay, Greenland is a country, okay children, in our planet Earth. So Greenland is a country. So it is a country, okay, a land in the tundra region children. Okay, so one by one we are seeing. So in the desert region we saw about Saudi Arabia. So in the tundra region a country is there, that is Greenland children. So in the map you could have observed children, you have two poles. One is North Pole and another one is South Pole. So you have two polar regions children. Okay. So imagine a globe children, imagine your globe or a world map. So you have two polar regions on the children, or they are on the frigid zone. Okay, you would have learned the zones children: torrid zone, frigid zone, temperate zone. So these polar regions are located in the frigid zone children. So covered with ice and snow. Okay, these regions are covered with ice and snow children, called the tundra region. It is your Arctic Circle and your down Antarctic Circle children. Okay, Arctic Circle and the Antarctic Circle, they are the two polar regions. They come under the frigid zone. They are mostly covered with ice and snow children. So those regions are called as tundra region. So Greenland is the world's largest island children, because it is surrounded by water on all the sides. Okay, that's why it is the world's largest island children. Okay, now I will show you in the map children the Greenland country. Okay, observe here near the Arctic Circle. Okay, you have the Greenland children. Okay, this is located in the tundra region. Okay, so it is the world's largest island children. Okay, observe the map in page number 66. The Greenland map is given children. You can take and see children. Okay, now Greenland geographically means according to the map it is closer to North America children, but politically, okay, but people who are settled over there, no. So those people mainly come from Europe children. So geographically it is a part of North America, but politically, okay, as people rule the country, no children, so they form part of the Europe children. Okay, now location. Okay, it is 650 km away from the North Pole. It is very closer to the North Pole children. Okay, so the Greenland is a country closer to the North Pole. It is about only 650 km away from the North Pole children, and then it is an autonomous territory. Autonomous territory means self-governing children. Okay, the people only rule their country, so autonomous. Okay, nobody can go and control them. Okay, the people of that land only have the rule children. So it is an autonomous territory of Denmark. Okay, it is an autonomous meaning is self-governed. Okay, so they will only rule that part land. So autonomous territory of Denmark. The nearest continent to the Greenland is North America children. So this Greenland country is there. The closest part is your North America children. Okay, here you have the Baffin Bay children. Okay, the Baffin Bay and the Davis Strait. Okay, it's separate from the islands of Canada children. The North America, the northern part, you have the Canada children. So the Canada also has some islands over here. So the Baffin Bay, here in your map you can see Baffin Bay and the Davis Strait separate the islands of Canada and Greenland children. That only I have written here. Baffin Bay islands of Canada. Okay. The next one, children, relief features. So when you visit a country like Greenland, how it will look, children. Okay. That one we are going to see. So it has an area of 21.5 lakh square kilometer. Okay. It has an area of 21.5 lakh square kilometer. The terrain is mostly flat, children, but you have narrow mountains, coastal plains, like that and all also it is there, children. Most of the mountains are rocky, barren and covered with snow, children. Okay. So most of the mountains, almost I would have also written over here, it is 2/3 area lies in the Arctic Circle. Okay, 2/3 area lies in the Arctic Circle, and 80% of the land is permanently covered with snow. So almost throughout the year, children, it is covered with snow and ice, children. That is called as ice cap. Okay, that is called as ice cap. 80% of the land is permanently under snow, children. So imagine we are living in a city. How it looks different. So think about the Greenland, children, where it is full of snow only. Wherever you turn and see, it is fully covered with snow, children. Some of the places are also given. See here. See the coast, seaside only little greenery you will see. Otherwise, it is fully covered with snow, children. You can turn to pages and see, children. Okay. So nowadays, due to climate change, children, the Greenland has lost nearly 10 billion tons of ice, children. Since 2003, it has lost nearly 10 billion tons of ice, children. Then in India also the same, how the climate of Greenland is there, no? In India also we have a place, children, that is Dras. Dras in Jammu Kashmir have the same climate of Greenland, children. Dras in Jammu Kashmir has the same type of climate of Greenland. Okay. And then the average thickness of the ice sheet, children. Okay. The snowfall will be happening. So the thickness of the ice is it is nearly 1500 meters, children. That is 1.5 kilometer thick it is. Okay, the ice. And then sometimes what happens, the huge pieces of ice break away from the main part and start floating in the water, children. Okay, so that they are called as icebergs. Okay, you would have heard, children, icebergs. Okay, so they will be floating in the water till they melt, children. Okay, so why the name of Greenland was given? To attract tourist, children. Okay, it is fully covered with snow. So to attract tourists, they have named the country as Greenland. Okay, the next one is climate, children. They have a Arctic type climate, that is, it is extremely cold and temperature never rises above freezing point. So you know freezing point is 0 degree Celsius. So if 0 degree comes means itself, the snow will be coming. So it is the temperature never rise above freezing point and it is extremely cold, children. The chill winds, children, it will like poke, how needle pricks, like that the wind, chill wind will blow, children. The speed is above 150 kilometer per hour. Okay, it keeps blowing. Sometimes the sun never rises for weeks, children. Okay, sometimes during the winter season the sun never rises. It is almost nearly 24 hours. For weeks together it will be dark only, children. Okay, and during the summer season little sunshine you can get, children. Okay, during summer season. Their summers are cool and short. The weather remains bright and sunny in the coastal areas. As the seaside is there, no children, so you would have also learned maritime climate. That is, near the seaside, they have a different type of climate, children. Okay. However, if the sun comes also, it will be freezing cold only, children. So they fully cover their body. That and all we are going to see, children. Okay. So it is extremely cold over there. So take your textbook and read about Greenland lesson, where it is located, its relief features and climate, children. With the remaining topics we will see in the next video. Thank you.